Want to take your poster designs from this to this? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to do exactly that, step by step, in Photoshop. First, you're going to want to create a black solid color using these settings here. Once you've done that, we're going to start building up shape layers on top of each other to create the background. Use the keyboard shortcut U to access the rectangle tool and make sure you've got the option Shape selected here. Now just click and drag to start drawing rectangles. I recommend holding down the Alt or Option key before dragging so you get better control over the shape of your rectangles. For this design, I'm going to make the rectangles progressively brighter towards the middle of the poster. To get that strip light effect, I'm just creating some thin white rectangles and then going down to outer glow in the effects options to add some soft glow. If you ever want to duplicate a rectangle, hold down Alt and then drag and drop it. We're now going to select all the rectangles and hit Ctrl or Command T to place them at an angle. Once you're happy with the way things look diagonally, you can bring in your athlete. We can now place some text in the empty corners of the poster. Using the keyboard shortcut T, we can now create a text box and enter some text. You could feature all sorts of things, like the player's name, jersey number, or stats. To switch things up, in the bottom corner, let's add a signature. Make another solid color, and then select the layer mask. Hit Ctrl or Command I to invert it, so that the solid color disappears from the canvas. With the brush tool selected, keyboard shortcut B, and making sure that you've got white as the foreground color and black as the background color here, you'll be able to start painting away a signature. I can tell you from experience not to worry if it takes you a couple of goes. One final thing the background could use is some texture. I'm just using a paper texture and setting its blend mode to overlay and lowering its opacity to add some visual interest to the solid color. Finally, we'll add a camera raw filter to give the poster a final polish. There's a lot of room for experimentation here, so play with the sliders as you see fit. I added a lot of contrast and started messing with the greens to get this final look. So that's how you can create your very own sports poster in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, tag me on Instagram and share what you made. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.